guys, and again welcome to Lee's Home Cook channel. Today we are baking another cookie. It's nutty coconut cookie. So this will be my first time to bake that cookie. I hope masarap. I'm sure magiging masarap siya. And you might be wondering why I'm wearing this. Hindi tayo naka-backpack ha. It's a back brace posture corrector kasi medyo sumasakit ang likod natin. We're not getting any younger. So yon, kailangan natin ng support to correct our posture. So enough of that, let's start baking. So here are ingredients for the nutty coconut cookie. We'll be using 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. Kailangan naka-sift ito ha. Next we have our 1/2 cup of flake coconut. We'll be using also a toasted slivered almonds. Any nut naman pwedeng gamitin dito sa ating recipe, no? So, depende na kung anong gusto nyo. We'll be using also 1/2 bar of this butter, unsalted butter. We'll be using 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Also, we'll be using 1/4 cup of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Konti lang yung sugar natin na gagamitin dito, no? Since ang papakainin natin dito mga senior, so dapat hindi masyado matamis. Also, we'll be using 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a room temperature egg. So, yan lang. Very easy yung ating mga ingredients for the nutty coconut cookie. Okay, let's start by mixing our room temperature butter, no? Again, this is half bar ng butter. Around 100 grams ito siya. Halo natin yung white and brown sugar. Ayan. So, imimix lang natin siya, no? Using a spatula. Ayan, pag ganito na ang kanyang texture, no? Pwede na natin i-mix yung ating egg, whole egg. Ayan. So, halo natin ulit. Ayan. So, pag ganito na yung kanyang texture, no, pwede na natin isunod yung ating dry ingredients. The flour and 1.5 cup of flour, all-purpose flour, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Halo na natin. Ayan, halo na natin dito. Tapos sift natin. Ayan. Okay. And let's start mixing ulit. So, ayan, pag ganito na ang texture niya, no, ang ganda ng texture niya, at saka ang bango, sobrang bango. So, yan, pag ganito ng texture niya, pwede nang ihalo yung flake coconut or pwedeng desiccated coconut, no, depende na kung anong available, and also the almond nuts or any nut na gusto nyo gamitin dito. So, ihalo na natin. Ayan, mix lang natin siya. Mix ng maayos. Ayan. So there you go guys, ang ganda ng cookie dough natin, no? At saka ang bango, sobrang bango ng cookie dough natin. And ready na siya para i-form natin yung mga cookie dough balls natin. Ayan, but before that, kailangan natin i-preheat yung ating oven sa 350 degree Fahrenheit, no? Before baking our cookie. Ayan. So, ayun guys, i-form na natin yung ating mga cookies, no, using a scooper. So, dapat meron tayong parchment paper, no, para hindi dumikit yung ating mga cookies pag na-bake. So, ayan, let's start. There you go guys. For this recipe, nakagawa tayo ng 16 pieces of cookies. So, i-rest muna natin siya ng kahit mga 5 to 10 minutes, no? And then, isasalang na natin siya sa ating oven. Right? Ayan. So, after 14 minutes, luto na ang ating cookies. Ayan, look at that. Sobrang bango at ang ganda ng ating cookies. Wow. Ang bango niya ha, sobra. Ayan, paparest muna natin siya dito. Ayan. And balikan natin and let's have our taste test. So ayan, ready na ang ating nutty coconut chip cookie. Tingnan natin, try natin kung gaano siya ka-soft. Look at that. Oh my God, look at that. Talagang napaka-soft niya. And taste natin. Ang sarap. Sobra. Try nyo to guys. I'm sure magugustuhan to ng mga mom and dads out there na ayaw ng mga matatamis masyado. This is so perfect. Napaka crunchy but soft yung ating cookies. Ayan. Hope you'll try this. Thank you for watching.